Ford knows people will pay a lot for 2 extra inches. Add the 37 performance package to the F-150 Raptor, and the price balloons from $70,370 to $80,375, or about $5,000 an inch. Before you scoff at that, know that Ford's kit offers more than just 2-inch bigger tires. In addition to the 37 by 12.5 R17 BFGoodrich All-Terrain T, ACO2s for which it is named, the package includes 17-inch forged aluminum beadlock-capable wheels, front box dampers with a 1.0-inch rod diameter, an 1/8-inch increase, to account for the extra mass, and a limited slip front diff. Ford also modifies the back of the frame to fit a full-size spare tire. And owners can show off the bigger tire measurement with 37 decals on the bedside and tailgate. Compared with the F-150 Raptor riding on standard 35-inch CO2s, the 37-inch tires increase approach, departure, and breakover angles by 2.1, 1.0, and 1.7 degrees, respectively. Ground clearance improves by 1.1 inches, and this Raptor stands 0.9 inch taller. But the 37s require suspension travel to decrease by 1.0 inch in the front and 0.9 inch in the rear. At a technical off-road park in northern Michigan, we found the increased clearances to be more impressive on paper. The taller sidewalls are great at soaking up rocks, ruts, and roots, however. Regardless of tire size, the F-150 Raptor has a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 that makes 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. With the new equal-length exhaust system set to Baja mode, the boosted 6 braps louder than the Ram 1500 TRX's supercharged V8. The larger rubber doesn't inhibit performance. Both Raptors reach 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds. The truck riding on 37s was only 0.1 seconds slower through the quarter mile at 14.0 seconds at 96 miles per hour.